And my key takeaway is to show care and love for our staff. And I find that it really go a long way, because when you're able to engage staff with you, you gain their trust. So then it become a mutual kind of interaction, and you'll be amazed how your staff can run, in a long haul with you. So I really appreciate this session that, like I shared, I become more aware, about how to be more patient with my staff, how to gain trust, how to respect them, how to give them active listening. So I thought it was really fantastic. So I felt that to be a successful manager, it's not just having that authority, but to really gain that respect. So the engagement will become very meaningful even to me as an individual. So not just taking care of my staff, but actually in return, I think my job is more fulfilling. I feel that when you actually do that, it comes with a motivation. So morale of the team will be up. So productivity will be up. So when everybody is happy at work, it's like, wow. You spread that great dynamics. Very good for all manager. Because if you can be aware of it at an earlier stage, it's something like food for thought. Then I think it's a success factor. Love, care, trust.